Morning students, I am Dr. Vijay Bhandari. So let's start with experiment number 7. The name of the program implementation of hierarchical clustering using Python. So before we start, the questions arise in our mind. What is clustering? So I will tell you about the clustering. To understand what clustering is, let's begin with an applicable examples. Say we want to travel to 20 places over a period of 4 days. How can we visit them all? We can come to a solutions using clustering and grouping the places into 4 sets. To determine these clusters, places that are nearest to one another are grouped together. The result is 4 clusters based on proximity, allowing you to visit all 20 places within your allotted 4-day periods. Basically, clustering is the method of dividing objects into sets that are similar and dissimilar to the objects belonging to another sets. There are 2 different types of clustering, each divisible into 2 sets. First is hierarchical clustering. It is 2 types, agglomerative and divisive. Second is that partial clustering. It is a k-means and fuzzy means. Now, customer segmentations. If we talk about in customer segmentations, clustering can help answer this question. What people belongs to together and how do we group them together? So there is a social network analysis and city planning accordingly to it. Okay. So now we see our implementation course. So now learning. Now this is our implementation code here, and in first cell we are importing our libraries. So importing NumPy, Matplotlib, and Pandas. Okay, so as we know all that, what is NumPy, Matplot to figure out the plots, charts, and Pandas for reading the files, and NumPy for the mathematical operations. Okay, so now we move into next cell, importing the data sets. So now we import the data sets from the machine learning UCI websites, and now we splitting the data sets into the training sets and test sets. But we are 20% taking the data sets of the test size so that we can cascade. And now we'll move to the next cell using the tendogram to find out the optimal number of clusters, and then move out the next cell putting the hierarchical clustering to the data sets. Now we are creating our class agglomerative clusterings and importing this class from SQL clusters. Okay, so these are the clusters basically, which denotes clusters of customers and annual incomes and spending scores. So now we run our codes to get the results. Hierarchical clusterings. So this is the figure 1 where endogram is created, and then the final figure of final result of clusters of customers. So red is denoted carefully, blue is denoted as standard, green is target, as well as AQLS, and sensible is denoted as pink. So these are the clusters, and annual income on the x-axis and spending score is on y-axis. So these are divided into clusters. Okay. So hope so to my understanding. If any doubts, please ask. Thank you.